Did you know? There's a quiet little engineer shaping Europe's wild waterways. Let me take you into their world, the world of the European beaver.
Today we're going to have something slightly different. We're going to have a V70, which is my first ever action camera, towards the lower part of the ground. That's going to be recording. 360 again is going to be recording. Fingers crossed this time it actually works and doesn't crash. And then I'm going to have one camera which is facing down, the same as before, because I like that angle. And I'm also going to put that camera, the one you're watching me on the bank where he goes, along with a trail camera which is already attached onto the tree. We are still going to be putting, that's a good job I remembered, some willow tree on there. We've got this lovely bit here for him to munch on. And also we've done an upgrade where we have put this over the top so it's a little bit more cleaner, a bit nicer on the photography. What else do we need to know? And that trail camera has been up there all night, recording from 6 PM I think, until 7 AM. Just because this gets a lot of boats going up and down and I don't really fancy capturing them. That's the bank he likes to go into that bank there. Ooh, this is getting deep. So maybe it's here we want to go. I don't want too much light on the camera this time, on the 360 camera. But this is nice and deep, so we'll go here. I want that about there. So I want it like that, really. So that's a 360 camera. I'm just going to make sure it keeps on recording while I set up the rest of it. I'm going to go and check on door. That was interesting, coming back and realising that the camera's gone under the water. I can't see it. Right, the camera is going to go over here and he goes up there. Hoping and praying this is the last time we're going to come down here. And next time I see you, I should be in Scotland. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. We're going to Scotland and we're trying to get white-tailed eagle, golden eagle, red deer, pine marten. What else are we trying to get? Those are the 4 main ones that I'm trying to get. Where we're going, our cottage or house or where we're staying is right on the edge of a loch. It's a sea loch, but it's a loch nevertheless. And we have got the boat I made many months ago, which is going to have the 360 camera we're using there. Hopefully it don't crash, to capture underneath the water there. And it's going to be a lot cleaner water there. Got these from Tesco's. Now, to be fair, it does say ham, no mayo. What it doesn't tell you, I got them for 51p. Bargain, if it zooms in. There you go. 51p. The one thing it doesn't tell you is, it comes with hardly any butter either. And whoever put that ham in doesn't know how to put it right to the edge. Talk about crust only. Terrible. Dora's like, it's got no flavour. I got something very special for you. This will keep you quiet. Oh. Alright, I'll chuck it in there and you can have it if you want it. It's a chicken foot. Now, this is a proper way to do wildlife photography. Now, really, I should be in my camo, granted, but part of my camos on the tripod. You should sit here and wait. Try and get there before the animal turns up. Settle down, get your camera sorted, get your camera inspect and all that type of thing. Check it every sort of half an hour to make sure the settings are still correct, especially if the light's going down rather than up. You don't want to be chasing the animal, because that, one, will stress out the animal, two, you will not get the best shots. You got to wait for the animal to come to you. If you're quiet and patient and in camo ideally, that will get you best results. Two reasons I'm not wearing camo today. One, I want people to think that I'm basically having a picnic on the side of the river, so I don't get disturbed as much, because last time we come down here there was lots of people running up and down. Two, I don't really need it for this one. I bloody hope that the 360 camera was working this time, because I am 90% sure he swam. Not near it, right over it.
Did you know there's a quiet little engineer shaping Europe's wild waterways? Let me take you into their world, the world of the European beaver. Fact one, the giant of the rivers. The European beaver is no ordinary rodent. In fact, it's the largest in all of Europe, and the second largest on Earth, right after the capybara. These gentle giants can grow up to 1.3 meters long, tail included, and tip the scales at 11 to 30 kilograms. Fact two, a near vanishing act. Once upon a time they almost disappeared. By the early 20th century, relentless hunting for their fur, meat, and castoreum drove into the edge. Across Europe, only about 1,200 souls remained, clinging to survival in scattered pockets. But today, thanks to dedicated conservation efforts, the beavers are back, thriving, rebuilding, returning home. Fact 3, nature's master builders. Beavers are legendary architects. With nothing more than branches, stones, and mud, they craft lodges and dams, safe havens against predators and gateways to food. Wherever they settle, they reshape the land, one stick at a time. Fact 4, engineers of life. But they don't just build for themselves. Every pond, every wetland they create breathes new life into the wilderness. Their dams slow rivers, reduce floods, clean the waters, and open the door for fish, frogs, birds, and insects to thrive. Beavers aren't just survivors, they're creators of ecosystems. Fact 5, a gentle plant eater. Don't let those sharp teeth fool you. Beavers are strictly vegetarian. They dine on bark, twigs, roots, and water plants. And in the coldest months, they stash their food beneath the surface, ready for winter's frozen grip. Fact 6, bound by family, loyal and devoted beavers made for life. They live in tight-knit colonies where a single lodge shelters the parents, their newborn kids, and sometimes last year's young. Every tail slap, every shared meal, every dam they build together. It's all for the family. Fact 7, teeth made of iron. Those iconic orange incisors, they never stop growing. Their strength comes from iron-rich enamel, giving beavers the power to cut through even the toughest wood. Turning towering trees into homes and habitats. Fact 8, born to swim, built for water, the beaver is a natural swimmer. With webbed feet, sleek bodies, and lungs that hold 15 minutes of breath, they glide beneath the surface like ghosts of the river. Fact 9, tail with many tails. Flat, broad, and strong, the beaver's tail is a tool of survival. It steers them through currents, balances them on land, and even stores precious fat. And when danger approaches, a single loud slap on the water warns the entire colony. Stay hidden, stay safe. Fact 10, the return of the beavers. Today, the European beaver is making a triumphant comeback. From Germany to Sweden, from the UK to the lochs of Scotland, they're finding their place again. In Scotland, they were officially declared a native species in 2016, after 400 long years of absence, once nearly lost. Now they've reclaimed their rivers. These are the unsung guardians of Europe's waterways, quiet architects, family builders, and ecosystem creators. The European beaver is more than just a survivor. It's a storyteller of rivers, a keeper of wetlands, and a symbol of nature's power to heal.
Please remember to let me know in the comments to like the video and subscribe. This really